She can inject herself wherever she likes, because I find that she had good cause. If she felt that you were a dangerous person, and if she wanted to call your soon-to-be ex-wife and say, listen, if you need me to testify on your behalf as to what I've seen him do and what he has done in peak of rage, I'm more than willing to be your witness. She can do that. It's a free country. And she didn't have anything against you. She gave your lawyer money for you to help you. And she has all these other guys that are living in the house. You are not the most attractive of these guys.
I certainly are.
That hurt.
Hello.
Now, what else do you think she owes you for? So far, you're batting, what is it, zero?
Yeah.
Zero.
Well, Your Honor,
Negative
after she
zero.
filed her restraining order,
I mean, negative
she was
one.
afraid of me, that I was
Just a
violent.
bit, she's
threat,
afraid of you. Right, she was
But then
afraid
she
of you.
moved into my bedroom.
Did she ask you to leave?
She asked me to leave. I said if she would give me back my rent, I would leave right now. She said no.
Did he ask you back?
Before I moved in, yes. He had paid 1 week, and then his contract was actually up 2 days after what that money covered. And my thing was, we're doing this by the book because I didn't want to be sued.
So?
So he paid me for that last week, but then he squatted after that for 11 more days.
That's incorrect, Your Honor.
Did you pay
I
her
have
for
the evidence, Your Honor, of his...
Just a second. Did you pay up for each week that you were there?
Yes, Your Honor. As a matter of fact, I still had credit for 3 more days. I was paid up until the 15th.
No, he
Fine.
wasn't, Your
It
Honor.
doesn't matter. He's gone. Now, did you ever pay her back the $1,000?
No, we were supposed to work out an arrangement. We haven't spoken since. And
Oh, well, that's very, very easy. Well, the arrangement is you got to pay her back the $1,000.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Now,
That's
you
easy.
have items taken without permission.
Yes, Your Honor.
What items?
First off, there was
She
a knife
took
that
my
she said I threatened her
drawers.
with, which I never did. There was a knife that was in my underwear drawer. It's since gone missing. I don't know where it is.
Well, she took all the knives because she didn't want you to stab her
I
ass.
believe so.
I believe she took it.
A number of my pairs of underwear are missing. I don't know where they went.
Okay, I don't care about your underwear. You have a bill for the knife?
I don't have a bill for the knife. It was a gift from my Army sergeant.
I don't know what the knife is worth. I can't help you with it. She
Gotta
took
get
knife
the
out.
value of stuff when you say someone stole it. Get the value of stuff.
Yes, Your Honor. I had a dog.
Have it appraised.
He was staying in the room with me during that big rainstorm we had in December. She moved my dog outside and moved all of her dogs into the room, and with all of their kennels, made my dog stay outside during the storm. I have video proof of this. I don't know if you wish to see
Just
it
a
or not.
second. You have proof of her taking your dog outside?
First she kenneled him, and then she put him outside, and then after she said that she was afraid of me when she moved into my room, I have video footage of her sleeping in Dan's bed in my room and playing music.
I just want to know about the dog.
Yes, Your Honor, I have video of the dog.
Did you put his dog outside?
No, he did.
Is the dog fine now?
The dog is okay now, Your Honor, yes.
Good. What else?
That's it. Move on.
Well, we're done.
Oops.
Money owed for actual punitive damages for filing a false restraining order. Denied. Harassment. Denied. Items taken without permission. I don't care about your underwear, and I can't value the knife.
No.
$1,000 for your lawyer. Judgment for the defendant on the counterclaim. Your claim is dismissed. That's all.
I have a counterclaim, Your Honor.
I just
No, you
awarded you
don't.
$1,000 for the lawyer on your counterclaim. Period.
Why is that excused?
I'm a counterclaim. You ain't got shit. It's as simple as that. You know, I prefer always living by myself. That's one. To rent out, sound like a bed or a space. How does that work? You know, you're just renting out a space. Sounds kind of weird to me. I would have never got into that in the first place. Especially if you say, well, I'm going to check out a room. I'm going to rent out a room. You get down there and it's only a space. It's a room with 2 beds or whatever amount of beds in it. And you're sharing this room with someone else that you have no idea who the person is. That doesn't sound cool to me. You know, I don't like hostels and I don't like these things. Now I realize some people have had great experience with hostels. They're just not for me. You know, they're just not for me. That's me. So I would have bounced from this situation the minute I found out where it's a room with 2 beds and I'm just sharing the 1 bed. You know, do you all think that $150 for that is a good amount? It's a good amount if you get the whole rest of the house also, right? If you get to use the kitchen, if you get to use the living room, and if they have a pool or whatever, if you get to use all that, the $150 is definitely a good deal. But if you gotta bring in your own food and you can't cook and you can't do this, I don't think that's worth it. I mean, might as well stay in a hotel. I don't know. It's a very interesting case. She wasn't joking around. You know, when I was younger and I used to watch this show, I don't remember her closing the cases so quick. Like, you know, and maybe because they're broken up into 3 different spots makes me think that it's shorter, right? Because it's like 3 different 5-minute stops. But it seems she's taking her cases more serious, and she's like, I'm done. You know, I don't know if it's Hollywood telling her, you're taking too long in the cases, you know, let's chop up this show quicker, or if it's really her, you know, if she handles her cases like this when she was a judge in just a regular capacity, if she did the same thing, chop, 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 real quick. But I would be interested to know, and if anyone's out there knows, put it in the comments. Let me hear what you have to say. How do judges determine that? You know, because, I mean, I know how I determine whether someone is a liar, you know, and I guess it's the same technique, but it just seems to me that you're for the justice system, so you have to, you know, you have to be blind by the situation. You just can't walk into a situation and hear something. But I guess you have to be blind but not deaf, right? I don't know the situation, but it's to me, she's really getting to the point quicker and not dealing with any BS. That's for sure. All right, thank you. Hit that subscribe button. Make sure that you like and comment. Let me know how I'm doing. See you all in the next video. Love you.